Okay, let's continue with linear functions, but now instead of giving you an equation, we will give you 2 points. When you have 2 points, 4, 2, 3, 5, and those are not x-intercept or y-intercept, what do you need to do, or how do you need to start, is finding the slope. Remember the formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we have that m equals 5 minus 2, this is my y, 5 minus 2 over 3 minus 4. And 5 minus 2 equals 3, and 3 minus 4 equals minus 1. So my slope is minus 3. Here I'm going to write slope equals negative 3. With this information, I also can find the angle of inclination. It's going to be theta equals tangent inverse of minus 3. And tangent inverse of minus 3 equals minus 71.57 degrees. Remember, your angle of inclination cannot be negative, so you need to add 180 degrees. And your positive angle is going to be 108.43 degrees. I'm going to write it here. Sorry, 108.43 degrees. Now, what is missing? Is missing general form, standard form, x-intercept, y-intercept, domain and range. Well, domain and range, as easy as it is going to be real numbers. You have the slope from the slope form, but it's missing the v. What you need to remember is after getting the slope is substitute your formula, y equals mx plus b. We have y, we have m, and we have x. How or where? M equals minus 3, we find it. And x and y are going to be one of these 2 points. You can work with 4, 2 or 3, 5. So I'm going to choose 3, 5. So my y is 5, my m is minus 3, and my x is 3. Plus b, this is the one that I want to find. Then is 5 equals minus 9 plus b. Minus 9, if I pass it to the other side, is going to be plus 9, and 9 plus 5 is going to be 14. My b equals 14. If I have my b and if I have my m, now I can find the slope form. And the slope form is going to be y equals minus 3x plus 14. And with this one, I also can write the general form. Minus 3x to the other side, in order to change it to positive, is going to be 3x. I will keep there the y, it's going to be plus y. And the 14 positive will pass as negative. Minus 14 equals 0. The minus 3x, again, I pass it as positive. I keep the y positive, and the positive 14, I change it to minus 14 in order to find the 0. Y-intercept. Y-intercept is the v-value from the slope form. So is 0, 14. And the only thing that is missing is x-intercept. So let's find it first. X-intercept is when y equals 0. So I'm going to write 0 equals minus 3x plus 14. Then I pass the 14 and it's going to be minus 14 equals minus 3x. X equals 14 thirds. Leave it as a fraction, don't change it. 14 thirds, comma, 0. What we need to do at the end is to graph the information we have. It's going to be the y-intercept 0, comma 14. So let me write it here. 0, comma 14. And on x-intercept is going to be 14 thirds. 14 thirds is 3, almost 5. No, sorry, between 4 and 5. So if this is 14, my half is going to be 7. This is going to be my 14 thirds. 14 thirds, comma 0. So I have it here, and I just need to join my dots. Then I write f of x equals minus 3x plus 14. If you can see, the minus represent that your slope is negative, that your line is going to be descending, and the intersection on the y's are going to be 14. So my graph is correct. Thank you.